Time now for a look through the international headlines we're following on this Friday afternoon. For that, we turn to our Eunice Kim at the NewsCenter.
Eunice, health officials worldwide are watching the deadliest Ebola outbreak in West Africa very closely, and many are concerned that it's getting out of control and could spread around the globe.
Right, that's a scenario that officials are working hard to avoid. The WHO is now preparing a $100 million plan to contain this deadly virus, which has already killed more than 700 people since breaking out earlier this year. Our Connie Lee has more.
Health authorities in West Africa are struggling to contain a deadly Ebola outbreak.
To look over this fence right behind you now and look at the patients, and you know that their chances are very small, and it's horrible.
More than 700 people, including dozens of health workers, have died so far from this year's outbreak, and there are currently more than 1,300 others who are confirmed to have the virus. Sierra Leone, one of the hardest hit countries, is currently in a state of emergency, and health officials have begun to quarantine certain areas. The rapid spread of the virus is putting a strain on the nation.
Already we had a very inadequate health workforce, and we don't have enough specialists in country as far as medical doctors and even specialist nurses are concerned.
That concern has spread throughout the world. The World Health Organization said Thursday that it is launching a $100 million response plan to combat Ebola in West Africa.
The plan includes, identifies a whole range of medical personnel required to help support the response to the outbreak.
Meanwhile, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has advised Americans to avoid non-essential travel to Sierra Leone, Guinea, and Liberia. There is no cure or vaccine for Ebola. The fatality rate of the current outbreak stands at about 60%. Connie Lee, Arirang News.